Now let's do a quick release single column. For this one, we'll use the Somerville Bowline as an example. Come around your column 2 times, beginning from the bight of your rope. And rather than the standard 6 inches of bight, we're going to double that to about 12 inches. So nice big chunk of rope there before you cross over. Now cross over, lock your Somerville, create a nice big loop there, and get that all the way through. But don't pull the entire tab of your rope through. We're just going to pull half of it, creating a slipped knot just like this. Once you have your bight hanging out in position, just tighten down. So this is a quick release single column using a Somerville as an example. Same exact principles would apply for any type of slipped release for either the square knot, the bula bula, or any of the other single columns with the exception of the lark's head. And what this enables you to do is, I don't want to go too soon there, is you can pull on this tab of rope here and very quickly release your tie, allowing you to have everything come undone. So nice useful trick to be able to create a quick release for your Shibari ties.